Looking for the best electric tricycle in 2026? Whether you want better stability, more cargo space, or an easier way to commute, electric trikes are becoming one of the smartest mobility options for adults, seniors, and everyday riders. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric tricycles in 2026 based on performance, battery life, comfort, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Electric Tricycle for Adults, Peak 1200-Watt Foldable Trike. Our first spot is the Electric Tricycle for Adults with Peak 1200-Watt motor. This electric trike stands out because of its flexible battery options, 468 watt-hours, 720 watt-hours, and 960 watt-hours, allowing buyers to choose the range that fits their lifestyle. The 1200-watt peak motor offers excellent acceleration and hill climbing performance, while the foldable design makes storage practical. Its step-through frame makes mounting and dismounting easier, especially for seniors. The balance between power, battery customization, and convenience makes it our top pick. Pros: multiple battery options, strong motor performance, foldable frame, easy step-through design, suitable for seniors and commuters. The best overall electric tricycle in 2026 for power, flexibility, and convenience. Number 2. KAKIGO Electric Trike. Next up, we have the KAKIGO Electric Trike. This is a powerful electric trike equipped with a peak 1350-watt motor, making it one of the strongest options on this list. It comes with a 48-volt 15.6 amp-hour battery, offering strong range and performance, while the 20 by 4-inch fat tires improve comfort and traction. What makes this trike stand out is the inclusion of front and rear baskets, plus a differential system which improves cornering and overall ride stability. Pros: most powerful motor on the list, large battery capacity, fat tire stability, dual baskets for cargo, differential system improves handling. Perfect for riders who want power, hauling capability, and enhanced stability. Number 3. ESKUTE E-Trike Electric Bike. Taking the third spot is the ESKUTE E-Trike Electric Bike. This model delivers impressive performance with a peak 1200-watt brushless motor and 18-inch fat tires, offering better grip and comfort on rough surfaces. The 624 watt-hour removable battery provides up to 55 miles of range, which is excellent for longer rides. Its folding design and step-through frame make it practical and accessible for a wide range of riders. Pros: excellent riding range, fat tires for better stability, powerful motor, foldable design, comfortable for daily use. An excellent all-around electric trike for commuting, recreation, and everyday use. Number 4. Qlife Triker Electric Bike. Coming in at number 4 is the Qlife Triker Electric Bike. This folding electric trike combines convenience and performance with options for 750-watt or 1200-watt motor power, giving riders flexibility depending on their needs. It features a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour removable battery and foldable frame design, making storage much easier compared to traditional trikes. The riding experience feels balanced and practical for city commuting or short-distance travel. Pros: foldable for easy storage, strong motor options, decent battery range, easy step-through frame. A great option for riders who need a portable electric trike without sacrificing performance. Number 5. 24-inch Electric Trike, 350-watt Electric Tricycle. Lastly, we have the 24-inch Electric Trike for Adults. This electric tricycle is designed for riders who prioritize simplicity, comfort, and practicality. It comes with a 350-watt motor with 500-watt peak output, making it ideal for light commuting, grocery runs, and neighborhood rides. The 48-volt 13 amp-hour removable battery delivers reliable riding range, while the 7-speed gear system adds flexibility on different terrains. One standout feature is the large removable rear basket, which makes carrying groceries or personal items incredibly convenient. Pros: good for beginners, comfortable upright riding position, large cargo basket, removable battery, UL certified for safety. A solid choice for casual riders and seniors looking for affordable, stable transportation. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric tricycles in 2026. If you want the best overall value, our top pick is the Electric Tricycle for adults peak 1200 watt. If you want maximum power, the KAKIGO electric trike is a fantastic alternative. Check the links in the description for pricing and more details. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.